We've taken and looked at the experience, the customer experience through your shop, the journey, if you will, through their shop, and looking at it holistically. Whether you agree with the 6 different phases that we did or not doesn't really matter. I think we all have to start looking at where are the opportunities within our business to introduce this trust bridge that's going to be necessary with our customers. It begins with what I call the 0 moment of trust, and that is when a customer recognizes their vehicle needs maintenance or service, and then have begun the process of researching where they might take it. I think we all would recognize that increasingly that's done over the internet, whether it's done by direct search or done through social discovery or looking at different social platforms and looking at reviews at any number of sites that provide those services. I would venture to guess that if I asked you if you searched for something this week and you looked at reviews of either a product or a service, I suspect that your answer is yes. It's a typical part of our everyday consumer life of doing that, and certainly your business is no different than that. So it really forces us to look at our digital presence as an operation, as a business, and then what our messaging is through that digital presence, both to those existing and new potential customers. Does it incorporate a message of trust? Are you telling, or even better, letting your existing customers tell your story and letting people know that you're different and trustworthy? But that's just the beginning. Really, it carries through every step that you see here on the screen of the journey of the motors through your shop. Things like, are your service advisors capable of telling your story, telling it succinctly to everybody that walks through your doors, whether they're, again, existing or potential new customers? Is it a message of trust? Is it really showing that they can depend on you to do the right thing? Do you think your existing customer values the way your service advisors recognize them and welcome them? We all like to be welcomed and recognized. And are we keeping track of their maintenance and repair records? So the bottom line is really, are you developing a level of trust that you're able to not only establish with your customers, but really tie that to the direct communication that you're having with them through the repair experience.